sometimes the content is highly educational here, and we've got some good educational tidbits in this video. But I also want to discuss with you how worms absolutely hate coins. Think about this. The next time that you're in a tunnel or caught in traffic, it's like a boulder falling from the sky blocking the road. That's what a coin is to a worm. And I know because I talk to them. And they talk to me. They're not scared of our digging tools. They regenerate. Google that. Worms are just like us. They like liberty and beer. No, wait, that's slugs that like beer. But they don't like the liberty that's written on the coins. Worms are great navigators, and they want their paths to be completely clear.
I think a wormhole between those 2 points will come sooner than teleporting.
Shut up, Neil. This is my speech. You know nothing about metal detecting wormholes. Now, what I do know and what I will tell you is that worms deeply care about their navigation, and it is our duty to clean their paths of metal objects. Rocks, they know how to deal with that. Coins, especially old ones, silver ones. Silver remains shiny. It scares them. This is our duty. This is our calling. Shut up, Neil. All right, off to a new spot. Let's see what we get. There's Jeff. So this guy's pulled 2 signals here and $50 and a silver. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Well, this is good ground. Let's go.
Wait till you put your shovel in it.
Let's go. What Jeff was referring to was really heartbreaking. There were these deep signals that were there, and it was really bothering the worms, and it was old stuff. We had to get it out. First signal 67, 68, and deep. This is, I don't know, bell seal possibly? This is something to look at. That's really interesting. Seems to have some detail here. Yeah, here's an extreme close-up of that item. It's got holes on the side. Not quite sure what it is. I was thinking that was writing, but I'm blind. Anybody know what that is? 94, deep. Claddagh quarter. Oh, Jeff just buckled. He's off to a hot start. Go, go, go.
My knees are buckling.
His knees are, yeah, mine too. That's the problem. 94, 95. Below the scale. Let's get it. What do we have here? It's like a hat for a mouse. It's like Pizza Hut. What the heck is this?
Or it could be something else.
Shut up, Neil. 85, 86, 87. Edge of detection. Well over a foot down. You got this copper material. Why can't you make that into a coin? Come on.
Turn it into energy, beam it over here, and reassemble it. You are distorting it every time you smack it.
Ooh, not good. Deep Claddagh quarter. Oh, I just dug a mid-tone and I got rewarded. Look at this. Oh, is that a silver button? It's probably a silver-plated button. That's pretty incredible. Yeah, I was tempted to go. This might be silver. Sadly, this one was a heartbreaker. I thought I had a silver button, and that would have only been my 3rd or 4th. That's a modern company. 76, 77, just like the last signal, which I didn't film, sorry. This sounds round. Oh, we got a coin spill, got a dime, and quarter, but it's Claddagh. Oh well. The field that we were digging on was once a farm, and since it has been repurposed for school use, and a lot of dirt was brought in, and this is very common in New York. You have to find the areas where the dirt is more thin. It almost never gets evenly distributed, but you get stuff that is like really lower in some areas, and if it's modern, you get out of there. I think we got some silver. Yes, we did. It's a ring.
Haagen-Dazs has been unlocked.
Hey, Jeff. We just skilvid. I got you later. Mid-signal. He knows. He knows. We've seen each other pull God knows how much stuff. This is going to be an old ring. I did call it before that this place would have a good amount of rings. This is a nice old ring. Well, there you have it. Nice little silver ring. Haven't quite gotten the dirt all out of it, but who knows how long this was buried. And now it's time for you to go and join your friends. There we go. This is a friendly reminder that over the last 28 days, 73.5% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for your support.
It's exciting, right?
Dime. It was a zinc piece of 8. Dime. Quarter. 91. Deep. Memorial. Quarter. He got a Scrotal bell.
Scrotal bell.
Oh my God. This is from a male Crotal bell.
Well, I hope he lost it in a very non-painful manner.
You don't have it anymore. It's gone.
You know what's funny? You say that. Like I've always called them Crotal balls, and yeah.
So we got a Scrotal bell and a Crotal ball. All right,
yeah.
we got this.
Right.
So here's a fragment of a Crotal ball.
It sounds painful. All right, I'm in an area that I'm pulling 8-inch clad. We gotta move. We gotta move. Obviously, dirt was brought in. I'd say this is older dirt, but I don't know. Maybe the 80s or so. This was brought in. So let's move around. Good shit. He just barbered. Oh, you're a barbarian, sir. Good job. You're having a day. Day. Yes, sir. Deep, 62, 64. I think it's the bat signal in can slow. Look at this. It's the bat signal. Hey, Batman. 74, 75 deep. Okay, what do we have here? This is probably going to be a button. This is really small. Yeah, that's going to be a button. Okay, old button. There we go. 87, 88 deep. Rivet. Okay, let's go. 57, 60 deep. Old piece of metal. Go. 86, 87. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? I think it's going to be a button. This is going to be a button. Big button. Inches away from the button. 86, 87, 88. Chunk of metal. That's what metal detectors find. Quarter. We just buttoned again. Okay. Mid-tone sounds good. I just flipped the plug and I see it. And it's a nickel. Oh man. I knew this was going to be a weird one. It was tucked in that corner there. This is something that's big. What could this be? It's a ring, that's what it is. All right, smart people, what's the purpose of this? Deep and faint. Would you look at that? Got a musket ball.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Love finding these. Yeah, I think it was this combination of finds that was like, yeah, let's have Neil deGrasse Tyson come as a, guest in this video, even though he didn't authorize it. Look, we got Saturn.
That's not how that works.
Yeah, this stuff has been here too. Can's Law. Low 60s. Yep, more Can's Law. Yep, but if you don't dig these, you don't get the rings. What in the world is this? It's got a wider edge at the bottom. It's like a boot for a mouse. A lot of those things, honestly, I threw out, though.
You don't have it anymore. It's gone.
How about that? We are on the wheat. Fantastic signal. Low 80s. Old piece of copper. I've been digging mid-tones. Another old piece of metal. Let's go. Now, I'm not sure what piece of junk that it was, but look at what materialized. This is probably off of a bracelet or a hairband, and look at the detail. I just did some scrubbing and we got a piece of silver. This over here cleans up to look like this. Yeah, we got some silver. That's proof you should always go through your junk pile. I only discovered that going through my junk pile. What in the world is this? That could be interesting when we clean it up. Okay, I think I just got something really cool. This looks like a squished bullet. That just, the bottom is squished. This is like the coolest paperweight in the world. Look at this. We'll take a closer look. So this was a bullet that was obviously exposed to heat and pressed down. And this, I was hoping it was a coin, but I don't think so. I'll show you the other side. Yep. 91, 92. Deep. Oh, I think we got a fatty. Think we got a fat Indian head penny. There we go. Yep, definite Indian head penny. Oh, we'll take a closer look at this. Awesome. All right, we got a little bit thicker. And that almost looks like a 1900, but it wouldn't be a fatty, obviously, if it was 1900. So we're going to have to clean this further. Seems to be in good condition underneath this. I don't want to do too much right now. Yeah, well, I'll get back to you on this. 83, 82. We just buttoned again. Yeah, from this point on, it's going to move pretty fast. We found some good stuff. This looks like it had silver plating at one point. Interesting little button. Ooh, whispering. 81, 80. Whispering. We just buttoned again. This looks like a flat button. I don't see any details. We don't know until we clean it. Ooh, I swung over the hole right by that button. There is another whispering conductive signal, low 90s. And there is your Deus 2 crater for the day. Okay, this is, what is this? This is pretty deep. Oh, look at this. Another button right at the bottom of the plug. This one's registering as deep, I'm not sure. Lifting the coil a little bit. I'd say bottom of plug. Uh-oh, there we go.
Haagen-Dazs has been unlocked.
There, oh, it's two together. Look at this. One is going to be silver, and one is not. And it's not a Merc. How about that? There we go. Hey, Jeff, got my silver. I think it's Canadian. You know, in finding this, I learned something very valuable. Our Canadian friends north of the border, 1965, it was still a silver year. That's crazy. All right, good job. This is the fun part of XP. Let's change coils. So, we're going to go into the woods in a little bit. I got my silver coin. Yeah. Now, the beauty of this, you don't ever have to unscrew this. You know, you could just plug this in like this. Take this off. Put this one on. Make sure it's the right way. And you're good to go. Deep 93. Got another silver. Hey, there we go. 2 in a row. This one's a Rosie. In closing, It always feels good to help the worms. The war against coin pollution is a war that we can win if we work together.
And we cannot detect the rest.
What?
We get vastly more mass attracting you than we actually can detect. I'm adding up stars, gas clouds, moons, planets, black holes.
Shut up, Neil, with your Lucky Charms recipe. Metal detecting. Do it for the worms, but more importantly, do it for you.